Okay, I'm at Giant Tiger eating my Blizzard, and this is what I see. What I see is low prices is what we do. Okay, it must be low, I guess. Strawberries, $288. Put a decimal in the middle of the 2 and the 88. It's that simple. Come on, Giant Tiger. You need to explain what is going on. You have explaining to do. Just put a decimal in the middle. Come on, it's not that hard. $288. I'm paying that much for strawberries. Just put a decimal so it could be $2.88. Come on, Giant Tiger, come on.